Hi, welcome to NAB Show 2023. My name is Claire Plaisted, and I'm joined in the studio today by Miguel Chiruca, Marketing Communications Director from Brainstorm. Hi, Miguel, nice to meet you.
Hello, Claire, nice to meet you too.
So tell me a little bit about Brainstorm.
Well, Brainstorm is a specialist company. We've been around for 30 years. Actually, we're being 30 years in this business this year, so
wow.
It's nice to be at the 100th anniversary of NAB
Yes.
with our 30 years in the business. But and we're so glad to be part of this show and part of this business. For actually, it's our 25th attendance to NAB as well. So
Wow.
we're like veterans now, which is
Yes.
scary.
But it's always different every year, isn't it?
It is different.
Yeah.
It is different,
Yeah.
and it's very nice to see how the show is evolving
Yes.
as the industry does as well.
Yes.
And for companies like ours, which are specialists in virtual production, real-time 3D graphics,
Okay.
lots of advanced stuff, it's great to see how the technology is evolving to catch up with our vision.
Yes.
And now we see virtual production almost everywhere with chroma key, XR, film, everything. And we're very happy because we know how to do that, because we've been doing that for decades now,
Yes.
which is great.
Well, virtual production is a huge trending topic this year. How
It
are
is.
you different from some of your competitors?
Well, first of all, as I mentioned, we've been in this field for decades now. We started with virtual production. I think we were we were broadcasting the first live real-time virtual set in 3D probably in the world, but was back in 1994. So it's a very long way
Yes.
till we have here. And we've been evolving our software with the participation of our partners, and always looking forward, because, as I mentioned, we're a specialist company, and we always want to extend our vision even further and go into the very edge of the developments, and that's what we really aim for.
What are you showing here at NAB Show?
Well, we're showing the latest development of our products, of course. We're showing the virtual production with Infinity Set, which is our virtual set, augmented reality virtual production product, which shows some enhancement for the XR stages at the moment. So multi-camera XR, which is something which is a hype at the moment. It's quite complicated somehow. We're also showing set extensions with color correction, tone mapping. We're showing how we can integrate our own engine, our render engine, with Unreal 5, and also with graphics coming from both engines at the same time, interacting to each other. So we're extending the capabilities of Unreal 5, let's say that way, with our own capabilities. And on top of that, we are also showing motion graphics with Aston, which is a renowned designer tool for motion graphics and playout. And we're also introducing the Edison ecosystem here at NAB, which is an ecosystem around Edison Pro, a cost-effective solution for creating immersive presentations and live shows such as this one. Imagine we can be inserted anywhere. Edison does that. And we are presenting the ecosystem with a number of add-ons that will enhance that capabilities.
Okay. So what can we expect from your company in the next 12 months?
Surprise. Well, we are always trying to push the limits, as I mentioned, and we are onto that. But pushing the limits is also risky, but it's very rewarding. Our customers always think that we have to push forward, and we are very glad to do that. We'll have more XR tools, more virtual production tools, and more cost-effective solutions on the lower end of the market to expand and democratize all these tools to any market field that we can imagine.
Great. Well, thank you so much for coming into the studio and telling me all about it today.
My pleasure.